Bereal Upload Failed, click to retry. How to solve the error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, just make sure that your application is updated to its latest version on your device, because outdated application also creates hurdles in the experience of using the application. So just search for the application and check if there are any updates available. So as you can see, there are no updates available. It means that the app is updated to its latest version on the device. So just go back and tap on the settings of the device, and then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and you can just search for the application on the search bar, or you can scroll down to get the application. So I'm just gonna scroll and get the application of Bereal. Then tap on clear data, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, clear cache. Then tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have toggled on the permissions of files and media over here. So just allow the access to media. Tap on camera, on your microphone, and on your location as well. Now go back and log into your account again, and this issue will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.